Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelby from the Carriage House Chronicles, and we're doing a whole upstairs clean today. I haven't shown you guys too much of up here, but today you're getting a whole view of it. We are also going to be tackling Wyatt's nook. He needs to have a full dresser organization. We need to go through some of his clothes, and it is overpacked. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'm just going to start with stripping the bed. And putting some new sheets on. I didn't realize that this was so disgusting, so I'm pretty excited to clean this. Next, we're just going to tidy up the cube unit. I recently purged a ton of items from this thing, and I'm just curious as to what you guys think I should put in it now. I have this one bin for my Scentsy stuff, and the rest is just kind of books right now, but I'm curious as to what you think I should put inside of these things. I'm just finishing up the part of the bedroom before I move on to vacuuming. I'm moving on to Wyatt's room. I'm going to strip his sheets and wipe down his crib. He's getting over a bit of a cold right now, so I just want to get a little bit extra cleaning in to make sure that germs aren't. My mom came over today to watch Wyatt for me so I could get some of this stuff done. I swear if I don't get it done during the day, I can't get it done because I'll go to bed and I can't do anything upstairs. Fun fact, I made those letters and I also made the 3 canvases that are hung on the wall. Nitty-gritty. I'm going through Wyatt's clothes now. I'm just separating everything into sizes and sections. So the bottom drawer that I'm going through right now is basically all of his long sleeve onesies, t-shirt onesies, t-shirts, and long sleeve shirts. I've gone with the KonMari way of folding just to kind of save some space, and everything that's on the right is everything that's too big. You will see a pattern throughout this little spot. So these are his pants and his sweaters, and again, everything that's still a little too big is on the right. And next is pajamas, and this, I don't even know how they get so out of control, but they do. And he's got a ton that he doesn't fit into anymore and a ton that he still does, so I had to decipher through everything. This drawer was my favorite drawer. And last but not least in this drawer is mostly his socks. He's got a lot of them. He also had some, I think it was some sheets in there, so I got rid of those. They were bassinet sheets and he doesn't need them anymore. And I found a new pack of bibs that I'm going to give to my girlfriend who's having twins in December. I have no idea what that stuff was, but like it took me everything to get it off, and yeah, I have no idea what it was, but it was kind of gross. I can never figure out how to put this thing back on. I swear every single time is like the first time. The last thing to do is give a mop around the whole floor, and that's it. That's the rest of the video. I'm gonna let it finish off here without me gabbing away, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.